Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how you can generate an architecture diagram in Trysetgo using AI. By default, the page loads with a sample architecture diagram. You can adjust the blocks and design your own layout manually using a variety of palettes. It also includes ready-to-use templates that cover common architecture patterns. Simply choose one that fits your needs and customize it. Alternatively, you can enter your project or architecture name, and AI will generate a diagram for you. From there, you can refine and adjust it as needed. Similarly, you can also generate flow diagrams for your projects. Simply switch to the flowchart option next to the architecture diagram. You can adjust the flowchart as needed, create one from scratch using palettes, or choose a template and customize it. Once done, you can download your diagrams as PNG, SVG, or even as an editable PowerPoint. You can now view the downloaded diagrams and PowerPoint files.